guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, today I'm doing another makeup tutorial. I decided to use the technique that I used for my spring makeup tutorial and just use like different colors with it. So I used like pink and purple, and I put shimmer, and I really like it. And as you can see, I matched my little LED lights with it as well. And if you guys are new to this channel, hi, my name's Aaliyah, and here I do makeup videos, try on hauls, just like beauty and lifestyle kind of stuff. So if that's like your type of things that you like to watch, then go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell notification as well, so you can turn on your post notifications and you just know whenever I post another video. So if you want to see how I did this, then keep on watching, boo boo. So first we're going to start by filling in our eyebrows, because girl, we need them. So I'm just going to take the same dark brown eyeshadow that I always use for my Morphe 39A palette, and you guys have seen me do this a lot of times already, so I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows. So now once I filled in my eyebrow, I'm going to take my L'Oreal Infallible Concealer, and this is in the shade called Cashmere, and I'm just going to use that to like prime my lid and carve out my eyebrow at the same time. So now I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder, and I'm going to take this on a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to use that to set wherever I put concealer. And this powder is in the shade Fair Light. So I quickly just did my other eyebrow, and we're going to start with the eyeshadow. So I'm going to start by taking my Morphe 35B palette, and I'm going to take this light pink shade, and I'm just going to apply that like above my crease, almost like on the brow bone, and this is going to be a transition shade. So now I'm going to take this darker pink shade, and I'm just going to apply this in the crease. So now I'm going to take this smaller brush, and this is the BH Cosmetics number 10 brush, and with this I'm going to take this hot pink shade, and we're going to focus this mainly in the crease, so I'm just going to be like packing it in. And I also forgot to say that we're going to have to wing it out to the edge, because that's the look that we're going for. So now moving on to my Morphe 39A palette, and I'm going to take this darker kind of cranberry shade, and I'm going to use this to deepen up the crease even more. So now we're going to cut the crease, and I'm just going to take the same concealer that I used to carve out my eyebrows, and we're just going to use that to cut our crease, and we're going to follow the direction of the eyeshadow, winging it all the way out. So once we've cut the crease, we can go ahead and apply our shimmer. So I'm taking my same Morphe 35B palette, and I'm going to take this shimmer right here, and as you can see, it's kind of like a purple shimmer. So we're just going to apply that all over the lid. So if you've seen like any of my other cut crease tutorials, then you know that this is something that I love to do. So I always end up taking like a darker color, and this is almost the same color that we used in our crease, like the dark cranberry kind of color. And I like to use that to like really define the cut crease to make it more clean, you know? So now I'm gonna take a dark purple shade and we're just gonna do the same thing with this color. So now I'm gonna take a darker purple shimmer and I'm gonna apply that on the outer corner. So now I'm gonna take my Galaxy Chic palette from BH Cosmetics and I'm gonna take this purple shimmer right here, and this one is called Milky Way, and I'm just gonna apply that everywhere that I've put the first purple shimmer. So now I'm going to take the shade called Meteor and I'm just going to dip into the white pigment and I'm just going to apply that on the inner corner to highlight it. Okay, so now I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics brush in number 7 and I'm going to take the same colors that I used in my crease and I'm going to make a eyeliner on my eye and with the eyeshadows, and the eyeshadows are going to go from lightest to darkest, so you'll just see what I'm doing. So I quickly just did my other eye and now I'm going to start with the base. So I'm going to start by taking my concealer and I'm using the same concealer and I'm just going to apply that under my eyes, and I'm also going to carve out like the wing part of my eye, and I'm just also going to apply it anywhere I'm going to highlight. And then I'm going to take my foundation, which is the Fit Me Matte Foundation, and it is in 124 and it's called Soft Sand. So I'm just going to be doing both of those things and then blending it out. So now I'm going to take my Fit Me powder in Fair Light and I'm just going to use that to set my face. So now I'm just taking the hot pink and the dark cranberry kind of color and I'm just going to put both of those on my lower lash line. So now I'm just going to curl my lashes and put on mascara. The mascara I'm using is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. And I'm just going to do that just to prep the eyelashes for the falsies. So now I'm going to take my favorite eyelashes, and these are the Lily Lashes in Miami. You guys, I'm literally obsessed with these lashes. Like, I used to use Ardell lashes, but ever since I got these, I don't even use Ardell anymore. Like, I don't think I'm gonna ever be able to go back to that. So now I'm taking the shade Milky Way again, and I'm going to put this on the inner corner of my eyes.
Blackout.
So now I'm going to take this bronze shade from my 39A palette and I'm just going to use that to bronze my face. To highlight my face, I'm going to take my Mini Becca highlighter in the shade Champagne Pop, and I'm just going to use that to highlight my face. For lips, I'm going to take my Maybelline Superstay Matte Lipstick, and this is in the shade Driver. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it for this tutorial. So if you like this tutorial, comment down below, give this video a like, and go ahead and subscribe again, like I said, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!